Hi again. We just had a fun visit with Elliot pretty recently, and during our visit, we got to read some library books. And as you can tell by my outfit, it's almost Halloween. So I figured we better read some Halloween books just in time for Halloween. And this is one of those books that we read while we were visiting. And it was one of Elliot's favorites. This one is called Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler, and it's illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Here we go. Skeleton woke up. Hic! 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 Had the hiccups. Hic! 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 He's in the shower now, and out bounces the soap. Hic! 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 Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hic! 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 His teeth flew across the room because he was bouncing around all over the place with those hiccups. Polished his bones. Hic! 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 And he yanked his arm off because he had the hiccups and he couldn't hold still while he was polishing those bones. Carved a pumpkin. Hic! 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 His poor pumpkin didn't look too good because he couldn't hold that knife straight. He was hiccuping too much and it was going everywhere. He raked some leaves. Hic! 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 Those leaves went everywhere too because he had the hiccups. Poor skeleton. He played with Ghost. Hic! 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 Ghost threw the ball at him. And he couldn't catch it because his hand wouldn't hold still because he had the hiccups and it was bouncing everywhere. Ghost told Skeleton, Hic! 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 Hold your breath. Hic! 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 He tried it. Eat some sugar. Hic! 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 Nothing's working. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic! 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 Drink some water upside down. Hic! 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 Ghost made a face. Hic! 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 Said boo to Skeleton. Hic! 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 But nothing worked. Hic! 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 The hiccups stayed. Hic! 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 Then Ghost got smart. Hic! 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 Found a mirror. Hic! 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 Held it up. Hic! 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 And Skeleton screamed. Hic! 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 The hiccups left. Hic! 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 They jumped away. Hic! 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 Hooray! The end.